So the sunflower got blown down and the leeks got blown down. And I discovered I do have damage. There's limbs down, which that's no big deal. It's just we got them all cleaned up yesterday. So this is why I do tomato plants on cattle panels, so that you don't lose your tomatoes. However, you gotta make sure you stake them up good. Doggone it. I thought I had them pretty secure, but no. These are a few that I missed. So, let me cleaning them up, and I got a bunch of stuff I need to do. I went ahead and got a few raised beds, ordered the metal kind. Since I'm so far behind, it said they're not supposed to get here till the end of June, which frustrates me. But I can't grow on the ground. Look at this. I mean, it's just a freaking mess. So what I'm going to do is that bit... bleh. I get to talking too fast. The big black plastic, which that's a tongue twister anyway. I'm going to clean all this up, get it smoothed out. It's still pretty wet. I have got the zero turn stuck here before. So probably what I'm going to do is just go ahead and put the plastic down. I don't think he'll have time to smooth it, and it's going to be hard to smooth it with it being this wet. So if maybe tomorrow I can mow it and then get the plastic down, what I can do is get this whole area covered and go ahead and put the hardware cloth in the bottom where I'm going to put the 2 beds, measure it, and go ahead and put that down so I won't have gopher damage. And just as soon as it gets here, get the boxes in the bottom, the soil in it, get the, excuse me, my allergies, get the trellises on here, and then just go ahead and plant me a big fall crop of more green beans, some cucumbers, and all this good stuff. But I only ordered 2. I may end up ordering some more. There's her bone. She's in the mood to play. That's all chives, which I wouldn't mind getting beds done and going ahead and digging them up, getting them into the beds. Look at the butterfly. Oh, I love those. So that, you know, I can get... Butterflies are starving. Look at that. They like to hang out on the hummingbird feeders. I need to get them some... I've got a butterfly feeder. I need to fill it. Anyway, back to this. I get sidetracked so easy. If you haven't noticed... Cammy, don't. See how you put the plastic down? I need that plastic to go up under that bed, you know, to where I just want the whole ground covered. So, yeah. Dear Santa, I need lots of plastic or billboard tarps or silage tarps or something. That's what I need. And a lot. This garden area is one whole entire acre. Oh, she's happy. She's got her little bone now. All right, guys, I got to start staking up the tomatoes. What'll happen is this one's broke. However, you can just go ahead and cut it, and I can put that down in the ground and it'll still grow. It'll root. That'll root. It's not the end of the world, but it's not ideal. It's already June and I haven't got but a few grape tomatoes in the garden, and they're not quite red yet. It's kind of really weird, really late season. But I did harvest some green beans, enough for 2 meals, and a couple cucumbers, just regular eating cucumbers. But yeah, I'm gonna have to revamp this whole entire farm. So I'm gonna get started on it, like I said last week. And anyway, stick along with the journey, part of the restoration process of this farm. We'll talk to you later. Wendy at Hardneck Farms. Happy Sunday and happy Father's Day. Okay, update, it's Father's Day. And this is still the bed with the herbicide damage. As you can see, nothing is even growing still. So the watermelon's not moving, none of this is moving. So I'm taking the advice of some people, and I'm going to go ahead and plant. I'm going to set this right here. I picked up at the grocery store just a bunch of sunflower seeds. They were on sale, probably, you know, after the season gets started. In the fall, I will also add additional cover crops, and we'll just see how things go. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is just kind of make a little well. I should go get the hoe, but it's kind of hot and sunshiny, and check that out. Look at all those spiders. Wow. That kind of looks like an orb weaver. Which I don't mind spiders, you know. They're part of the ecosystem. But when I do find orb weavers in my bed, I move them somewhere else because I don't want them getting the butterflies. But that is a lot of spiders. I think I grow spiders and bugs and grasshoppers and everything but food in these beds. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just make a little well through here and just row until I run out of seed. However, I do have some more seed. Not much, but this at least get it started. Don't pay any attention to me. I was up all night. We had storms. Of course, I'm showing the damage that we got. Some tomatoes, and I haven't really officially walked through. We've got some fruit knocked down, some limbs down. We just got all that cleaned up. Anyway, all right, guys, I'm gonna get to planting, and I will catch y'all later when I'm done. But some burpy little sunflower seeds. Let's see what I can do to clean up this herbicide damaged soil. The birds will love it anyway. There's also a solar eclipse. I've never got that one, but I just grabbed what they had left. And I had seen them there for a while, so nobody was interested in getting them, so I just went ahead and grabbed the sell stuff because they just marked them down. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later.